This might just be the secret to why many Chinese people live longer than Americans. They don't eat bananas raw. They grill them over charcoal. Roasted bananas aren't just about the amazing flavor. Bananas contain something called oligosaccharides, which get activated when heated. These nutrients help the good bacteria in your gut grow faster, keeping your digestive system healthy. On the other hand, eating raw bananas, especially on an empty stomach, can trigger stomach acid and even cause long-term irritation. But here's where it gets even more interesting. In some parts of China, people actually mash roasted bananas and let them ferment to make a traditional banana wine. They mix in special fermentation cultures, let it rest for a few days so the natural aroma develops, then distill it using a balance of cool water and hot steam. Slowly, clear banana liquor drips out, smooth, fragrant, and crystal bright. This ancient brew is believed to soothe the stomach.